Welcome, from me is a Samsung Galaxy M21, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, we'll need to open up the Files app. So let's find it. It's going to be in the Samsung folder, My Files. And from here, you want to open up or find your files. So I'm going to look for mine. Let me quickly check. So there's a couple of photos, there we go, so that's what I'm looking for. Now the key thing to keep in mind, photos, videos that you have captured with the device will be located under the DCIM folder. Then lower you'll have a pictures folder which usually contains screenshots. You have music, movies, these folders usually contain files that you have placed there yourself, so you probably know that they're in there. And then the last one is the downloads, which will contain anything that you have downloaded on the device through either your email or web browser. As you can see here, some apps, photo, music. So yeah, let's go back. And I'm gonna transfer the photos as an example. As you can see, there's a couple of them here, along with 2 videos. So to get started, you will want to select them, and to do so, all you need to do is hold a finger on one of the files, and you can see it becomes selected, and then you can simply tap on additional ones. Now you can also select all of them by tapping on the check mark right here, and every file in here becomes selected. Or if you also want to select all, there's another way you can do it by just grabbing the entire folder along with all of its content. And once it's selected, either one file, folder, whatever you selected, once it is, you have 2 options, move or copy. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with move. And from here, I'll backtrack to here, and I'm gonna go to the SD card instead now. And I could drop it into the DCIM folder right here. As you can see, there's nothing in here. I can drop it also in the main SD card where every other folder is, so it's just up to me. And once I am in a location that I want to move it to, I'm just gonna press move here, give it a moment. And you can see that it has now been moved, and we're still in the SD card now. And there's the folder along with all of its content, so 2 videos and a couple photos. And if I were to go back to the internal storage and DCIM where the camera folder came from, you can see that it's no longer here. And that is how you would move any kind of file from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.